High above the plains of Arizona lies a city built for the sky, Casa Malpais, the house of the Badlands. Its builders shaped their world from fire and stone, volcanic rock turned into sacred walls. From these terraces, the people watched the heavens and mapped the breath of time. This was more than a settlement. It was a cosmic observatory. Every sunrise and shadow carried meaning, a language written in light. The Ancestral Puebloans built Casa Malpais with purpose, to connect heaven and earth. Here, the spirits of the wind still whisper through the ancient stone. As night falls, the stars awaken, guardians of a forgotten sky city. Every stone here was chosen, shaped, and placed with intention. Imagine the labor, hauling basalt from the valley floor to the heavens above. At its heart stood the great kiva, the soul of Casa Malpais. Ceremonies of the sun, the stars, and the seasons echoed through its walls. Each lunar cycle, the people honored the sky, their calendar carved in shadow. The sun itself marked their time. The horizon was their clock. The spiral, symbol of journey and renewal, guided their spiritual life. Their architecture was not just shelter, it was a prayer made of stone. The people of Casa Malpais were not only builders, they were watchers of the sky.
It's happening. The sun is perfectly aligned with the central marker.
They studied the solstice, the equinox, and the rhythm of the stars. Their temples aligned with celestial events, a cosmic order encoded in stone. Each night, they read the heavens like scripture. Symbols of the cosmos marked their walls, a dialogue between sky and soul. This was a civilization of harmony, balanced between earth and the infinite. To them, every light in the sky was a message, and every message a reminder of where we come from. Then, as with all great civilizations, silence came. By the 1400s, the people of Casa Malpais vanished into history. The drought grew stronger. The earth called them elsewhere. Their descendants live on in the Hopi and Zuni peoples. In their art and songs, the Sky Watchers still speak. The same symbols of journey, light, and renewal endure. Though their homes fell silent, their wisdom never died. Casa Malpais remains, a message carved in stone for the ages.
Look at the detail on this artifact here. The laser
Today,
picked up the
science
micro-etchings.
meets spirit, decoding what
That
the
confirms the
ancestors
dating
left
we discussed
behind.
earlier.
Tools, pottery, and carvings echo a civilization in balance with the cosmos. To their descendants, these stones are not ruins, they are living memory. Each dance, each prayer, a connection to the Sky Watchers of old. The same stars that guided them now watch over us. Their spirit endures as eternal as the desert dawn.
The Sky Watchers of Arizona.
They built with stone. They lived by the stars. They dreamed beyond time. The stars remember them, and now so do we. From stone cities to sky temples, America's first astronomers left their mark. Explore the mysteries hidden in your own homeland. Their stories are written in the heavens above. Subscribe and rediscover America's ancient civilizations.